To fix a blurry Canon camera, it's essential to identify the cause of the issue, as blurry pictures can be quite disappointing. A few well-known reasons for this problem include a faulty lens, slow shutter speed, or poor focus. To quickly fix these issues, start by changing or cleaning the lens, as a cracked or dirty lens can significantly impact picture quality. Use a soft brush to remove dirt. Then spray the lens with a wiping solution and gently clean it with a soft cloth. Another solution is to double the shutter speed, as a slow shutter speed can result in blurry pictures. Even with a high shutter speed, fast-moving objects can still appear blurry, so consider using a tripod for added stability. Lastly, it's crucial to be mindful of focus, as even the best cameras can produce blurred photos if the focus is not set correctly. Learning to control the autofocus option and using the correct settings can make a significant difference in producing high-quality pictures. By addressing these common issues, you can capture better photos with your Canon camera.